magbigay ng tatlong klaseng defense. So, hindi pa ako mag-start. Nang una, mag-exercise tayo para meron tayong wakas. Okay, first exercise is leg twisting. 3, 4, 5. Reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next exercise is circular hands movement. The procedure done is manner. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next exercise is head twisting. Okay, sit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next exercise is day bending. Okay, proceed. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next exercise is stretching. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next exercise is push up. Okay, sit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, ito ang one night defense. Tak. Ano ng style. So, number 2, night defense. Tak.